Stating that he will not allow anyone to construct a 6-meter road trespassing the retreat centre property, Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo has named the Water Resources Minister Dayanand Mandrekar as having been involved in the hill-cutting activity near the Xavier Retreat Centre at Baga, which has endangered the retreat house.
Addressing media persons, Mr. Lobo said that he was surprised to see that the State Nationalist Congress Party was trying to politicize the issue when the senior Vice President of the NCP, Salim Syed, was himself involved in the issue.
There are a lot of political opponents of mine who are trying to take political mileage and trying to politicize this issue. Now yesterday the NCP spokesperson Trajano Di Mello has alleged that I have got some ulterior motive or I am hand in gloves. I don't know who is this Cleophas. He is a ward member. We respect him for that ward member. But beyond that, we have no connection. But the NCP senior vice president has got big connection with him. And the land which is being purchased, the money is being paid by the so-called Salim Syed, the so-called NCP people who have lost everything. They have nothing in Goa today. लोकूय ना तेंच्या वांगडा. हे आता खंय तरी पॉलिटिसाइज करूंक सोदता इशू. तेंचोच वायस प्रेसिडेंट सलीम सय्यद is involved in this hill cutting. Let him clarify if he is not involved. I have got involved in this case because it is in my constituency. I will not allow anybody to build a 6-meter road cutting to the Xavier Retreat Center. I have opposed this earlier also. Now I am opposing it again, and I want government to take strict action on this.
Mr. Lobo said that since certain laws in the state were weak, there was a need to strengthen them.
And I don't know why NCP is getting involved in this. I am not bringing my party inside. I am a MLA. I will support them to restore their land. Ata yedo odlo bobav zalo. Nobody has come forward to restore the land. Half of that retaining wall has been damaged by this Cleophas Fernandez. But here again I am saying the law is weak. The law which is there today, the TCP Act, under TCP Act, you are only arrested and released on bail. The law needs to be amended. When a person goes and cuts a hill, when a person goes and fields a paddy field, for commercial purpose or any other purpose, तुमका सांगले आता की न्याय कित्याक मेळना पळय तो एक आमचो सिनियर पॉलिटिशियन हितून इन्वॉल्वड हा तो तेच आताच सांगला ना आमी मिनिस्टर हा न्हू तो मिनिस्टर फॉर WRT आनी कितें जाय इन्वॉल्वड हा तो इन्वॉल्वड हा न्हू तेका आतां कितें लिपोवया हें घालूंक जायना न्हू एवरीबडी नोज अबाउट इट श्री मनोहर पर्रीकर when he was there, you know, all these things people were little getting scared. I feel that our new chief minister should be more strict and should not allow any minister to do whatever he wants, or any MLA also for that matter.
Meanwhile, commenting on the issue of BJP-led government trying to issue licenses to 4 new land-based casinos, Mr. Lobo said that new casinos would not be allowed in his constituency.
I will oppose it. What is existing we cannot stop. About there are 2 casinos, land casinos in Kalangut. I don't want any more. See, revenue what the government gets, what is already there, it was brought by the Congress government. Let us not forget that. It was brought by the Congress government. It is continued till today, till the government takes a policy decision of removing them out. You just cannot throw them out overnight. So bringing in more has to be stopped. This is what I feel as a legislator of Goa. I will oppose them. I will oppose. People will come on the streets. Nobody wants more casinos in Kalangut or in Goa. What is there is okay.